well-respected, dedicated, zealous.
Fierce as protective and diligent.
Dedication, committed, and compassionate group of people.
Hardworking, inclusive, and empathetic.
YRJ is a nonprofit law firm of very excellent and dedicated lawyers and staff that have dedicated their careers to supporting kids and families in difficult circumstances.
We are a juvenile public defender representing kids and parents in both delinquency and dependency cases. So with younger kids, I often tell them, like, look, you're my boss and you can fire me.
I was brought to the US as an 11-year-old, so I know what it's like not knowing to navigate the system. So just being able to relate to my clients is huge.
I get up every morning to do this work because while I'm not front-facing, I am part of the village, and it does take a village. And the thing that Youth Rights and Justice does best is make sure that those who can't really protect themselves has someone there that can do that for them.
Every morning I get up to do this work because it is vital for our community. It's vital for children and families.
My work at YRJ compared to my past experiences has been very rewarding. Being able to be an actual part of a committee for legislative changes that YRJ takes part of. I love that. That is amazing.
I had one client, I think I've always tell this story, who told me, you're the first person who's ever stood up for me in my life.
It's such an honor to work with clients through some of the most difficult parts of their lives.
YRJ are the most hardworking people that I think I've ever met. Their desire to do the best for their client is unbelievable.
I mean, the dedication, the hard work, the extremely long hours they are all willing to put in. They reach out to their clients even after cases are done to make sure that things are still going well. The effort that they're always willing to put in under what can be very difficult circumstances, especially over the course of the past year.
The pandemic has made families and youth who are already in a fragile state in terms of finances or support networks or addiction or in need of other kinds of treatment services more at risk.
Before the pandemic, it would be much more common that I would be seeing clients in person at court. There's a lot of weight with that and feeling like I have a physical support that's here who's tethering me to the situation and who's can support me in the moment and who can read my emotions because they're there. Now that we're vaccinated and we're starting to come back and do this little by little, while also, of course, respecting the comfort levels of our clients, I anticipate a lot is going to change here in the next couple months, hopefully.
I think it's in everyone's best interest to give children in our community the best chance to succeed.
What's great about this organization is that they are willing to move into the areas of need as they grow because the needs of the youth change over time.
It's hard to go against the grain and push for what you believe in and advocate for what you think is best for our clients. But when I think of Youth Rights and Justice, that's what they do time and time again.
I believe very strongly that every kid and every family deserves somebody in their corner when they're facing a difficult situation. I think every kid in our community deserves a safe home. They deserve to stay with their family when they can. They deserve, access to quality education and to help if they find themselves in the delinquency system. And YRJ provides that person in your corner for those folks. And I can't really think of anything more important to support than that.
I support YRJ because the work they're doing to support children that enter the foster care system is critical. I think there are a lot of things people can do to support children at such a vulnerable time. But what's more important than someone's legal rights being protected? What's more important than a lawyer that shows up to keep them safe, keep them in school? This work's really critical. And if you want to support children that are in this terrible time in their lives and protect their future, supporting OIRJ is how you can do that.